Hi and welcome to our channel. There can be different reasons why your Zoom microphone is not working. Thankfully, there are several troubleshooting methods you can do yourself to fix this issue. Watch this video to find the appropriate solution. Firstly, check whether you're on mute or not. This one is basic but has caused unnecessary panic among many users. If the microphone is not working on Zoom, the problem could be settings related. When your incoming audio is not working on Zoom, open Preferences and choose Audio. Uncheck the Mute My Mic after joining. Before we proceed, we kindly ask to support our channel by liking and subscribing. This way, you'll stay updated on our upcoming content. Another option is to check your privacy access settings. Go to System Preferences. Choose Security and Privacy. Click on Microphone. Make sure Zoom is selected. You won't be able to use the microphone with Zoom. If this is the case, close all the applications using the peripheral, such as Microsoft Teams or Skype. In addition, restarting the computer may also help to resolve the issue. Another solution would be to update the Zoom app. Sign in to the Zoom desktop client. Click your profile picture, then click Check for Updates. If there is a newer version, Zoom will download and install it. Echo is a common Zoom audio problem. In most cases, the issue's source is in basic overlapping when multiple devices provide audio for the same meeting. It also happens when you place external speakers too close to the microphone. When all else fails, it's always a good option to reinstall your Zoom app. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful to solve your issue with Zoom. If not, leave the comment below. I'll try to help you.